Turn on the machine. Click here. Enter setting. Activate new version. Please turn on GPS. Please confirm your location access. Turn on the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is already connected. Please install the cutter and probe. Please follow my step. Change cutter and probe.
Follow 2 steps and install the cutter and probe.
Insert the cutter and probe on the top. If you finish, please click OK. Please pull the probe. If touch the clamp, please tighten the screw. Click OK. Cutter and probe installation OK.